Hi, welcome to Julia's Embroidery. Today I'm going to show you how to do open fly stitch. So I've got 2 strands of floss on my needle and I've tied a little knot in the end. That's how I start all my stitching. So for this one, you're going to start at the top of your design and make 1 stitch. So there you've got your first stitch ready to go. And then you're going to bring your needle up on one side at the top of the little V and go back down the other little arm of the V. But just like Lazy Daisy, if you've watched the video for that, you're going to leave a loop on the surface of your fabric. And again, make sure that loop's not twisted. Just hold it with your thumb. And then you're going to go back under and you're going to come up just below the stitch that's there. But you want to go through this loop that you've left. So you're going to do that and then pull down away from the V and see how it then sits flat. Now for this one, I'm going to go down here because we're making, so you can go down right here beneath it, or for this one, because we're making one long straight line on this design, I'm going to go down here. See how then that catches this one down and creates a line in between. And this is good for leaves and all sorts of designs. And as I say, this is the open fly stitch. There is also a closed one, which I'll show another time. So again, you're going to come up on that V, back down on the other side, leaving a loop of thread on the top of your fabric. And then you're going to come up at the very bottom of the previous stitch, or at the bottom of this V. And that'll start to pull that thread through. Make sure you loop your needle through that thread so that you've caught it, and then pull it tight. And as I said, you can go down, depending on what design you're stitching, you can then go down right beneath it, just like you would with a Lazy Daisy, and catch it down right there. But for this particular design, because it's a long line, as I said, I'm going to go down here and that will catch it down there. So I'll show you one more time. You go up on one side, up through the fabric, and back down again on the other side, leaving a loop on the surface, which you can hold down here too if that's easier for you, and then come back up at the very bottom of that stitch so that you're on the inside of this loop. And you've caught it down. And then just go back down, ready to start your next one. And that's open fly stitch.